I go somewhere where it's so hot I can barely breathe. A bad habit for drugs. Good morning. So everyone's broke and I refuse to pay grocery prices. So I thought for this week, I would try to only eat food that I have in my pantry and in my fridge to try to clear things out. So I thought I would take you along on the first day of eating only meals from food I already have in my pantry. And also today's video is sponsored by Compliment, so a huge thank you to them for sponsoring my YouTube videos. So I guess we should start with breakfast. Looking through my fridge, I have one avocado. So avocado toast, always good. I baked bread yesterday. I have these leftover Brussels sprouts. Ooh, I have an idea. We are going to make avocado toast with crispy Brussels sprouts on top. I made this bread yesterday. I tried out my normal overnight bread recipe, except I used half bread flour, half whole wheat flour. And I also halved it for single people. Oh, she's a beaut. Oh, this is fantastic news. Oh, I also need to take my vitamins. So, gotta take my Compliment Daily Essentials vitamins. I'm gonna leave a link for you guys in the description box down below for these. It's everything that you need if you're on a plant-based diet or a plant-forward diet. So one thing I really like about these guys with the different vitamins that I have to take as a vegan, this has your DHA and your EPA in it. So it has your omega-3, so you can take it with all your other vitamins that you need. It also has magnesium, selenium, and zinc. Before it was like 50 pills every day. I'm going to kind of like blacken or crisp the Brussels sprouts. So I like to do this just right on here because why make more dishes when we don't have to? And add a little bit of salt. I just find that avocado just tastes better with salt. Hello. No, you can't have avocado. It's bad for little doggies. All right, so let's start with our avocado. So another thing I try to take daily, if I can remember, is glutamine because I have very crazy, difficult workouts. So it helps me with my soreness, but also greens powder. Because listen, I'm not a vegan for health. I gotta just eat whatever I want. And I will go a full day without eating vegetables. Sometimes I need the extra help. I'm also gonna add some electrolytes as well. All right, breakfast. So good. Worked out, shower, got ready, made breakfast. I'd say we're already off to a great start today. Okay, laundry time. What has happened since the last time we hung out? I went on a Hinge date, it went well. I went on 2 others. One was a disaster. Like, not a disaster, it just was like a total waste of time. I definitely carried the entire conversation. Literally, I sat there for 2 hours and talked about the weather with this man. So that was a nightmare. And then I went on another one. The date was fun, but more in like a friend way. The attraction wasn't there, but I would like love this person as a friend. What else? Oh, I went to New Orleans. That was fun. I went to go see Stevie Nicks, which was a great time. I'm actually doing a trip to Bali if anyone wants to come to Bali with me. I'll leave some information in the description box, but I'm going to lead a Bali trip. So you guys can come. It's like $2,400 for 7 days, and that includes your accommodation and food. And it's the type of trip where it's like curated for vegans. All of our excursions are completely like ethical, which is amazing. And we're gonna see like the countryside as well as the beach. So, you know, we get a couple different types of scenery, which is cool. The first 8 people to sign up actually get like I think it's $200 off for early bird special. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. If it goes well, I'll do more. And maybe we'll go to like Italy together, or yeah, Greece, or I don't know, Thailand. I've always wanted to go to Thailand. Hello. My dogs definitely aren't needy at all. So this is Karina, my videographer, editor, and friend. Today, we are organizing all of the videos that we've shot. We're organizing our like project manager and shoot a couple of things and just like organize stuff today. If you want up, you need to sit down. Go girl. And before anyone freaks out, I do sanitize my table, okay? Ready. I have flour, cornstarch, breading. Let's make tofu katsu for lunch. Okay, I found sticky rice in the back of my fridge. I'm near the end of my vegetarian hoisin. And then I have this Whoop 4 mayo, but it's sesame flavored. For the breading and flour, I'm gonna create like a cornstarch like slurry type situation, or flour slurry. We're going to add 3 tablespoons cornstarch. 1, 2, 3. Like half a cup flour. I was gonna salt that because salt is life. However much that was. Need a whisk. What a mess. I went to Bulk Barn and got this vegetarian chicken broth, and it's much cheaper than getting like better than bouillon or something like that. So I'm gonna start with making a broth out of it. So this broth is gonna be like our marinade. I love this tofu press. It's like the greatest tofu press I've ever owned. Just for the sake of easeability, I'm gonna cut this in half, 3s. Right, I'm gonna let that sit for like 10 to 15 minutes while I prep everything else. So normally I would use like panko breadcrumbs for this, but I don't have that, and we're only using things that are in my pantry. So into the flour or cornstarch, whatever mixture I just made. Okay, time to fry. Oh, my fingies. They are not on the menu. Oh yeah. Wow, that was really nice. All right, so I put down my rice. This mayo bottle always fucks with me. It's not my prettiest work. How cute does this look? I mean, minus the giant splooges of mayo. Lunchtime. That's so good. That sesame like mayo stuff is so good. After this, we're gonna go for a walk. Hi, can I put this on you, please? Oh, hello. Okay, come on. Oh, you're such a good boy. Sniffs and smells and pees and poos. Did your brother teach you how to pee? They're such city dogs. Like, if I try to pull them onto the grass, they're gonna come right back out on the pavement. You're like, no, no, I don't want to. Let's... No. Don't eat that. Don't eat the poo. Don't eat the poo. I'll have her in the grass and you on the sidewalk. There we go. This is called compromise. There we go. Winston, you're gonna have to come somewhat closer. Not a fan of wet grass. I don't care. I'm gonna shit on the sidewalk. Oh, do you have diarrhea, dude? Let's find the garbage. My butt hurts. Dinner time. I am feeling incredibly lazy. I found some naan in my fridge. I have some beans that I cooked yesterday. These tomatoes in my freezer. But I kind of wanted to make this like creamy chickpea recipe that I have in my cookbook, but I don't have chickpeas and I don't have coconut milk. We're gonna go with peanut butter. So I think I want to do like a caramelized onion peanut Thai flavor. So I'm gonna start with caramelizing some onions. I'm gonna heat up some oil. Garlic. Deglazing the pan. I'm gonna add this Thai spice. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Tomatoes. Okay, I'm gonna add some peanut butter for creaminess. Gonna let that stew for like 15 minutes. That is tasty. Gosh, I love food. Ooh, I have some parsley. We're going to enjoy the fruta barriba. That's really good. Let me know if you want to see more I cooked only meals from my pantry. Let me know if you're interested with a big thumbs up. And thank you to Compliment for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave all the info and the discount code in the description box down below. Okay, bye.